Grand awakening, Pisces, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance, prosperity, magic and money all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree, book a really good massage with me. Check out the NFTs, the ebook, the music. Great products are over there. Your word of the day is return to your heart. Return to what works. Do what works. You know where your big gifts are. You know where your talents are. Hone in on them. Zero in on them. Work on them. Bring it out to the world because I need you guys. The world needs you to walk to the beat of your own drum, the contents of that song. We need you to be the original person that you came in. You came in this world by yourself. You're leaving by yourself. But Pisces, you have a huge impact to make and you have a huge legacy to leave for us because we need you. So return to what you're used to return to what works, what you love. Therefore, that's the place where you can get into your laboratory and start cooking up the next manifestation for the world and blessing that we need. I breathe light and stick to the essentials of my soul. The present moment, I calm my thoughts and I focus on my heart and find a space to be where light and greatness are, and I find peace and inner silence. Peace and inner silence in your solitude. That's where you think the best. That's where you become your best. I want you to do that because I need you. The world needs you. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.